Hey besties, what is up? I'm back again with another video. So I wanted to recreate this look from Stacey Marie. I'm just obsessed with these color combo or with this color combo. Like I've done it before, it's kind of similar to this. But once I've seen this recent picture, I'll have it like somewhere right here. Bomb, you guys. Like, girl, I wish I had that talent, that techniques. Her techniques are freaking amazing. And I just love her looks. Like all her looks are freaking bomb. So if you guys want to do this little fun look with me, then just keep on watching. If you guys are not yet subscribed to my channel, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button down below, hit the bell to get notified every time I post, and give your girl a like. Without further ado, let's jump right in. Besties, we're going to be using the Blend Bunny Cosmetics palette. This is the Blends and Surge palette. So I'm jumping right into the Surge palette and I'm taking Covet. This is like the purple, deep purple color in the palette. Very pigmented, you guys. Look how pretty. And I'm using an ABH brush. I forgot which one it's called, but it's the one that I always forever use. It's a packing brush. So any packing brush, doesn't have to be ABH, but just any packing brush, and just packing it all over. I'm not taking it too high up. I did take it a little higher than my lid, but not too high. Alright, so after I packed everything on the lid, I'm going to be taking the color Stay. It's this purple, like a lighter purple. I'm just going to go in with all the pinks and purples in the palette. I'm going to go in a little bit with Cheeks. I think it's Cheeks or Becon. And I'm going to go in with Charged. It's like the neon colors you're going to see right now. So I'm taking the lighter purpley pinky colors in the palette. I'm just mixing it up. Like it's not like, there's no wrong or right way. So just mix it up, do what you got to do, make your own color, blend everything in. So taking the Power color, it's like that neon color, and then Shocked, which is the neon yellow color. Going back and forth with my blending. I know it looks crazy right now, but trust the process. I'm taking the color 32 in the Blends palette, and I'm going to be taking Submerge to the outer parts of the halo eye. Just keep going and blending because I'm right there. I was having a little trouble because of the brush that I was using. So just going back and forth till I was satisfied with the blend. Don't be scared to just keep on going, packing it on, using a different color, using a different brush, whatever works for you. Just do that. So I'm going to be taking a metallic color in this Surge palette on the top of the cut crease right there, and it's going to be the color Underneath. It's very pretty, you guys. I am obsessed with it. I took it a little thicker because I don't know, I just felt like I didn't have the right brush. Like I said, you need like a smaller detail brush, but I'm taking it a little thicker, and it's going to be that color Underneath. And then I'm taking the glow duster, diamond glow dusters from BEBELLA, because I wanted it to be like stand out a little bit more. It's a little like purpley white color. So yeah, I'm gonna go back in with both of them. Right here I'm showing you the BEBELLA duster. It's called United. So right there, it stands out, like it makes it like a 3D type of like color, you know what I mean? So taking my Frankie Rose foundation, you guys already know, you guys could use my code. It's just Gigi in all caps. I love this foundation. You guys need to try it if you guys haven't tried it. So I'm just going to go in with my BEBELLA sponge. It is amazing. My Huda Beauty Tantour. It's very loved. This is in the shade medium. Very bomb. Blends like a dream, and I love it. And I'm just putting it in the contour shades in the area that I want. And I am going to go in with a different color for my brow, not my brow, what the heck, my forehead and my nose. So blending that out. See how easy it blended out? The sponge is so freaking bomb too. I'm obsessed with it. I love it. I love the color. At first it looks crazy, looks pretty dark, but it blends out really good, and it just ends up being really nice. I'm taking like a Morphe brush. Like I don't know what kind of brush this is, but I'm just blending out the parts, the little smaller parts of my face. Taking my Too Faced Chestnut concealer. I love this shade for my nose contour. It's not too dark. It's just like that warm, color. Taking my Magic Touch concealer from ABH, and I'm in the shade number 10. It is a little lighter just because I like a lighter, highlight in the perimeter, not my perimeters of my face, the inner part of my face, my T-zone. Oh my god, I'm so crazy. I cannot talk. This is my first time trying the Dragon Beauty loose powder in Invisible. Very nice. I got like this deal on like the Black Friday, and it came with like these 3 powders, and it was really nice. They worked really nice. It has a scent, but it's not overpowering, and it looked very, very nice. So taking my MAC Give Me Sun bronzer. You guys already know the deal. You guys know that I'm obsessed with this. It is not nothing new, but it's very loved. Very, very, very loved. And I'm going to be spraying my face with the continuous mist from Morphe in the Sour Patch one. Very good. It smells so freaking bomb. Taking my JACLYN Hill loose blush. Very pretty. It's called The Love of My Life. Love orangey blushes. You guys already know that. It has like a luminosity, but not overpowering. It's not going to make you look like oily or anything. Very, very good. Obsessed. I need to get more blushes like this because it's one of my favorites. So now I'm going to be taking the Dragon Beauty face palette thingy. It's very nice. At first, I didn't really like it. It kind of has like a little bit of pearl, like, and it kind of accentuates my pores, but it ended up looking very nice at the end. Taking my JACLYN Hill Toasty lip liner, you guys, I'm obsessed with this lip liner. They remind me of ColourPop's lip liners. Very buttery, very creamy. Super nice. I love it. And the shade is very nice. I want to get more. I hope that she comes out with like darker colors because I'm obsessed with like nudes and stuff. So I'm just kind of overlining my lips, and I'm going to be taking my like a liquid lipstick. First I wanted a gloss, but this liquid lipstick from Laura Lee Los Angeles in the called NAKEY. Very good. Very pretty. Very nude. Very, very nude. If you guys do not like this nudie shade, you guys won't like it. But the formula of this is very nice. I love it. It's not drying at all. It's super good. All right, my loves. So this is the look that I recreated by Stacey Marie. She is the bomb, you guys. Like, I'm so obsessed with all her work. I just added some little crystals, little fox freckles and stuff, or not freckles, like beauty marks. I love it. Like, ever since I got the Lottie London a couple months back, I've been obsessed with the little freckle tint that they have. And I don't know, I just love it because I already have a lot of beauty marks already, so I want to enhance it. But yeah, loves, if you guys are not yet subscribed to my channel, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button and, you know, put your post notifications on and everything. I love you guys so much. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for being so supportive of me. And I hope you guys ended up liking this recreation that I did. And yeah, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you again in my next tutorial. Bye, guys.